summer schedules. While you're out traveling with your family, doesn't mean that you have to stop working out. It actually means that you can get up a little earlier, or if you want a little wind down after the kids go to bed, let's work together. From bigger pieces to treadmills, ellipticals, trampolines, rebounders, to the smaller pieces that maybe you can travel with. This is a variety of goodies that I often tell my clients to have on hand. This is actually a balance pad. So if balance is becoming an issue for you, having something that's fairly compact to take with you is a really good resource. The other thing that is phenomenal to actually work with is a resistant band. It is super small. You can get them in varying densities. So depending on what your strength is like, you can actually grow into it and get one that's a little bit more dense that makes it harder to work with. The other thing that many of my clients have are hand weights, and they don't have a clue what to do with them, or that their posture is incorrect, which then brings pain into their joints or into their neck. I do have some clients that have arthritis. They're not as strong in their hands, and so they do make weights that you can actually slide your fingers through versus the rubber kind that you have to grip. So just know that there's a variety of tools that you can actually utilize. Many of my clients already have a foam roller, and this is one of the best ways to roll out your kinks, to get rid of whatever is going on within your back, within your neck, your shoulders, and of course, our lovely IT band. This is the one that most physical therapists will recommend to you as well. Lastly, everybody has a hand towel. This is one of the greatest tools because if you are traveling, the hotel has one. Maybe you have one at the Airbnb that you're at. Whatever the case may be, a hand towel is something that we can also work with rather easily. I have so many tricks up my sleeve to make your body feel great when you may be incredibly stressed out, either with work, with traveling with your family, and just need a little downtime. I'm here for you. Personal training does not have to be super crazy. It's not that we are doing kettlebells of 50 pounds. We are actually utilizing things that are readily available to you. And keep in mind that when the holidays come around, that doesn't mean to stop working out. That's the time that you need me more. So please keep that in mind and look forward to talking with you soon, and let's see if we're a good fit.